Cleaner Princess, and today we will be making Pluto pipe cleaner Mickey ears. So what you will need is 3 black pipe cleaners, 5 yellow pipe cleaners, 1 bright green pipe cleaner, and scissors. So you will start by getting 2 yellow pipe cleaners and twisting them together at the ends. So you twist them on by wrapping them around the pipe cleaners. And so then you take this end and you're going to twist it the same way and make a circle that you are going to put on your head. And then once you do that, you're going to make an arch with a yellow and a green. The green is for his collar, but right here it shows red, and I think he has like 2 collars, so you can do red or green. And so you twist it on the place where you twisted these 2 pipe cleaners, and then take the other side and twist it straight across like that. So you twist it on, and then you are going to make the ears. The ears are going to be yellow. And so you take a yellow pipe cleaner and you're going to twist it on both of these and twist it on right there. And then you're going to take this side and make it into a circle and twist it on right here. And so then make sure it looks like a circle. And then you're going to take the other yellow pipe cleaner and make another Mickey ear over here. So you twist it on and then do the same thing. Take this side and make a circle and twist it on, and then make sure it looks good and you like it. And then once you do that, you're going to make his long black droopy ears. So you're going to take a black pipe cleaner and then just make the basic doggy ear. So basically like that is good. You can make it like up, but I'm going to do down and droopy. So you twist it on the ear, and so you twist this side on it too. And then you got that, and do the same thing with another black pipe cleaner. Do that, and twist it on right here. And then take this side and twist it on. And then once you got that, you are going to cut this one in half. And so once you do that, you are going to make with this one a nose. So for his black nose, you just basically twist it in a circle by like wrapping it around. And so just keep wrapping it into a ball. And so then once you do that, just leave a little extra so you can twist it on in the front. And then twist it on in the middle of the front. And then with this, you are going to make a little tail. So make it little wavy and like that. And then you're going to twist it on in the back. And so you twist it on and wrapping it on. And there you go. You got your Pluto pipe cleaner Mickey ears.